Okay, this is a 2026 Kia Carnival, and I'm putting the Eco hitch on, and the instructions are marginal, let's say. They were written years ago, and some things have changed. So the taillights are different. In their instructions, there's some trimmer in the taillights, and you have to remove the trim first. That's not the way it works on these. On these, you take the two screws out, and then the taillight just pulls rearward. It snaps into a couple of details here, but you just grab it here and pull it back hard, and it pops right out, and then you disconnect it. So the taillights are different. And then I just couldn't figure out how to get the bumper off. Their instructions just say remove bumper, and I couldn't even figure out what is the bumper. Is it just the black part or the gray part? Anyway, so it's, as you can see, it's all of that there. And then the bumper has these slots molded into the flange, and they snap onto these little things here. So they said, use a trim tool, but a trim tool, that didn't work at all, because what you got to do is you have to lift up on the bumper a little bit to kind of try and get it off of these little ramps. So what I ended up doing was I actually pulled outward on the top of the bumper, and then I pressed in here and flexed it. So literally kind of flexed the bumper so it bent and then popped off of these things. And then, just like with all of these trim things, you just got to be a little rougher than you want to be. So I started at both ends, and then just, again, it was just, the secret was like flexing this. It's flexible, it's right, it's just a bumper. And flexing it enough to where these little slots would pop off. And that worked, then it came off. And then this is a high-end Carnival, so there were two wires on the bumper, and they, I took the bumper off. I guess you could take these off first. One of them has a little cam thing that holds it in place, and the other one, there's just a little tab that you press in. So anyway, hopefully this helps, because I was stuck on this for a long time. And once you get the sides off, the middle of the bumper just comes right off. So anyway, it's not as hard as I thought. Like anything, once you know how to do it, it's easy. Anyway, hopefully this is helpful.